Happy Monday night, everyone. Today we got some very cool products from UNITEK and I'm very excited to show you. I'm going to start, as always, over here and we're going to make our way around. So let's have a look at this UNITEK product right here. Bring the box right here. As you can see, it is a regular lightning cable. Got USB, got lightning, but what makes it a bit more interesting is that it's a braided cable. It's nice and soft and it's braided with fabric, and it is a meter. It's 100 centimeters, so you can see it's a long cable. So you've got plenty length if this is in your car or charging a computer, charge your device right there, lightning. Really not a problem. But because it's braided, it makes it a lot more hard wearing and resistant to being pulled or being damaged by things like snags. We'll move on here to my favorite product that goes with, well, you can buy it of course with the brick. This is a very powerful, again, braided, high quality USB Type-C cable, both USB Type-C. It's 100 watts. The reason I say buy it with that is because then you've got a really powerful little solution there. So if we move on right here, this is what's called, UNITEK calls it the travel cube, as you can see right there. It is a 60 watt, as you can see, USB Type-C with, over there, and with two USB ports right there, USB Type-C, and two USB ports right there. They're both, or all of them, can fast charge, and so can the USB, but particularly this can charge your PC, so more than fast charge, it has high power as well. It's got some real weight to it, and the reason is because it's a 60 watt charger, so you can charge two devices, and you can charge your computer with one solution. And if you put it, of course, with this, and your computer charges via USB Type-C, where it's a very powerful system. USB Type-C, of course, is universal, how you put it in, and it goes in really well. It's really, this whole solution, I'm really excited to show you because it's a really high quality product. And because they're both UNITEK and they're both newer products, they're really kind of not made for each other, but they work really well together. The cable itself can even surpass 60 watts, up to 100 watts. So you can use a really, really powerful solution, really powerful charger. And it comes with this really nifty piece of Velcro there when you need to wrap it up. It is 2 meters, so of course, if you're just charging by the wall and you have your computer right next to you, then of course you don't need all the space, so you can just wrap it up there. You must come in store to really feel this cable because it really feels very different to all other cables, because it's a lot thicker because of its high power output or capacity, and because it's so well made. You can see we've got all these grommets here and here, and that again resists kind of snags and breaking and everything, and really is a very good cable. And as we've discussed before, all cables are not made the same, and this is proof of that. Finally, we have our 2 products here. Let's go for this one right here. Wrap this up because it is a very long cable. Just take that off. And this is, we have HDMI into a display, and out you have female USB and male USB. And you can see there's a lot of cable here. And the reason for that is if you need to plug this into your display, but what you need is a female USB. So for example, you're putting your phone to your display and you're showing what's on your phone on your display. That's a very simple solution right there. Of course, you can also charge, and we've got all the solutions right here. You could, for example, plug this in there and then you could charge your device. But mainly, that's what it's for. Because it is to a display port, you're showing what's on a device right there. And if you need to have more power to the display port itself, you see there's a little light indicator there. It comes with all connected into the system. And unravel it for you right now so you can see, there we are. It comes with a USB, so you can power this if you need to. And it's a very long cable indeed. I'm going to bring the box up to you right now to show you exactly what I mean there, and it's full HD as well, HDMI. So you have your smartphone or tablets connected to your device in a really simple manner. And we have a whole port at the back. There's your connector into display, then you have your power supply, then type A female to any number of devices right there. It's probably we've had in our stock for a bit of time, and it's a good old faithful reliable product. Finally, a newer product, put that there, as you can see, there's a lot of cable, which is great, is we have this small little splitter into lightning, and out you have, let me just zoom in there so you can see, there we go, and out you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, and you don't lose the port that you're giving up, which is your lightning connector. Just want to zoom in there we go. You can see right there, it's a very small product, really nicely made, and we have this nice metal enclosure there, so again, and this little silicone bit that can bend right here, so it is well made, it's not going to fray, and again is resistant to wear.